All right, so now that we've done some introductory work with our data matching, I'm going to show some advanced techniques on how you can get super efficient. So we've got all of these Zuccardi items. I'm going to open all of these in a separate tab and do a batch. Now this is super cool because it makes things even more efficient. It's going to end up with a lot of tabs at once, but make our process super duper fast. So we've got all these going. I'm going to go back to the top and just start at this first tab. And I'm going to copy and paste both lines. Go over here. I use the tab key on my keyboard. Command A, backspace, Command V, and then I use Control Shift left, 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 X, backspace, Command Shift V. Isn't that cool? I'm going to do that with the next one. Control W on my keyboard. Concreto from Altamira, Argentina, both lines. Enter, Control A, backspace, Control V, backspace, Control Shift left, 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 Control X, backspace, tab, enter, Control Shift V, enter. Concreto Malbec from Altamira. Next, Zuccardi Emma Bonarda. Control C, click, enter, Control M, boom, boom, boom. So quick. Los Membrillos from La Consulta. Los Membrillos. Okay. Finca Piedra Infinita Supercal. Supercal. So I just go enter, Control A, Control V, backspace, Control Shift left, Control X, backspace, Control Shift V, Control W. Fossil, San Pablo. Jose Zuccardi Malbec from Uco Valley. Malbec Port, interesting. Now, an either faster way, I'll pull this into its own tab now. Semillon from El Peral. Control W. San Pablo from Tunuyán. Now, in this situation, we have two wines that are the same. It's just different vintages. So you can assume they're the same because it's literally the same. Same thing here with the Q. Cabernet Franc. It's important to read the text and see, okay, does this make sense? Get that critical thinking going. Tupongato. Gato. Gato means cat. Tupongato means something else. So this is Zuccardi Q Red Blend. It's twice, so There we go. Boom. Tito. Okay, so using this fancy new technique, let's find a good set. And I'll keep going, but yeah, okay, so that should be enough for right now, actually. That was like 20 items in 3 minutes, so it's probably like twice as fast as before. So, okay, bye-bye.